So hopefully it's gonna look even better afterwards. A little haul. This fit me like a glove. This balance is good. Okay. Oh my god, sorry, I'm so out of breath. Hello and good morning to everyone, including Rem. Is this my second coffee today? Maybe. Are you gonna judge me? I don't know, but I don't care. So we have a lovely 1:58 p.m. I definitely forgot. Well, this morning I slept in and I woke up around like 9:30, 10-ish, which I know is not like that early for some people, but for me it's really early. Or sorry, for me it's really late. And I was thinking like, Alisha, how did you sleep in so much? And I totally forgot that this morning was the freaking time change. So kinda lost an hour out of my day. Ooh, that's, Alisha, don't expose yourself. Better angle. So that happened. Honestly, this morning I've just been editing. You guys really haven't missed too much, but now I'm enjoying my second cup of coffee, so. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. How's everyone doing? I've literally been sitting here for the past, I was down here at 10, it's now 2, I don't know. You do the math. But anyways, honestly, I think this video is pretty much done. I did the styling sweatpants video, so if you guys haven't seen that, please go watch it because I love this video. Even if you don't normally watch fashion videos, please go and watch it and let me know your thoughts because I'm trying some new stuff and I'm like freaking proud of it and it's really dope. So I'll have the link in the description box, but let me know how you like it. I'm gonna sit down, enjoy my coffee, and watch it to see if it's good to upload. So one of my biggest tips would honestly having, wow, Alisha. This is a really easy one. My shoes are from Nike. Dang it. I liked the first part. Here we go. Okay, so one of my biggest tips is actually to have a color palette. So for this outfit, I decided on all neutrals, a very like Yeezy type of vibe, I guess you could say. Last one. Okay, so one of my biggest tips is honestly to have a color palette. Okay, so one of my biggest tips is honestly to have a color palette. I think we did it. Okay guys, video is officially freaking up. I feel like a lot of my vlogs is me uploading and sitting here at my computer, but I'm trying to get better at posting a lot more on like every single one of my socials. So I posted a TikTok of it, I tweeted, I posted a Snapchat, IG story, and now I'm just exporting the intro of the video to go up on my Instagram like static, like on the actual grid. So I'm trying to get better at that. I feel like why work so hard on a video when you're not even gonna like tell your viewers about it? Like not everyone's on YouTube 24/7 on their sub box, you know what I mean? I'm always like out living my life, but then when I see that someone posts, I'm like, oh, that's interesting, like I wanna see that later. So like Alisha, get better at it. I actually have to leave in about like less than 10 minutes because I have to get a spray tan. I haven't had a spray tan in a long time, so I hope that it looks good. I have 2 really big shoots this week, which unfortunately I'm not able to discuss yet, but I definitely want a spray tan for it. I'm actually really excited though. So wow, my face is kind of red today. I almost forgot that I desperately have to do laundry today because like I said, we have shoots this week and I have to bring some of my own clothes and most of my clothes are dirty. So here we go. Oh wait, soap. Oh my God, guys, I can't multitask for anything. I always forget that like there's a shelf here that would work for this. Okay, so I need to leave in like 5 minutes for my spray tan. I put on like baggy clothes that I don't care if I get ruined. I'm gonna start that when I come back because spray tan. I feel like my hair probably looks so ratchet right now. Yeah, we'll fix that. Welcome to LA of Alisha trying to find parking because she forgot that it's a freaking Sunday. So everyone's mostly off of work. Shoot. So they're like, no parking spots, guys. I don't know what to do. Luckily though, I still have 5 minutes, so we have time to kind of circle. Oh, there's a spot, but that's so far. Oh wait, that's not a spot. Never mind. Never mind. You don't even get the far spot, Alisha. Take 2. Going back around the block. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, yesterday if you saw my stories, oh my God, I did the dopest thing ever. I went to past Palm Springs, like Coachella Valley with BMW. Insert footage here. Okay, we just got here and it looks freaking dope. I think we're gonna learn how to like drive like really fun. Oh my God. I've become quite like a car lover.
Within this last year, like 2019 to 2020, you became a car person.
This looks so dope. Oh my God. I'm so excited to be here.
Intersection that brings us out on the...
We're off-roading. Hey. Oh! Ah! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Wait, that is insane. Wait, that was like the first baby one. We didn't even go over anything insane.
That was first.
Oh my God. That was dope.
Oh, no, you weren't? Okay. Yeah, you missed the next obstacle. That's okay.
We're following
about
this
5 miles an hour when the car, like I'm doing right now, is coming out.
This is the only time we're able to get on traction control completely off. When I say go, 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 guess what? We go.
Got it.
Get on that power. The more gas you give, the more wheel spin you have. I kind of encourage sliding, so then you're able to understand how to save a slide and to recover from one. But it is a race also. You start picking up the gas, you turn a little bit more, you give it too much gas, the car might slide around. All right.
So Ashley is up for drifting right now.
You guys called each other out.
This is so dope.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
Go. Keep going, keep going. There you go.
Oh my god. I can't. I didn't think I could do that bad. I did so bad.
One is in the lead now. Big slide for car number 2. Stop.
Fuck.
Car number 2, get in direction, give it a little bit of room, and go.
Go, go, go.
Now. Big slide for car number 2. Here we go. Say that this is going to be the final. Car number 2, take it nice and easy, try to win the race. Big number 4, that's hurting.
Oh man.
Code. Screw it.
The same the entire time. I'm just open and amazed. Wow. Now I see what I was doing wrong at the other place. Wow. Wait, how fast did you go?
The fastest moment was the front straight where I hit like the first lap where I probably hit 75. But the rest of it feels fast, but when the car is sideways, because the wheel spin is higher than the rate you're traveling at, there's all this fizz in the car, you know, so it feels exciting. And it's fun. Super fun.
You're like, this is literally
fast.
like nothing.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Literally thought I was gonna die a few times. It's cool. Anyways, finally found a parking spot. So, oof, I look red. So I look real cute right now. We love a spray tan. We love a orange face. So I've been meaning to do this, actually meant to do this last Tuesday, and the drawer dividers never came in time. But you guys, guess what has officially come? You've seen the title, she's seen the thumbnail. We are ready. We got all the organization, all the dividers. I'm so happy. So if you guys didn't see my other vlog forever ago, you know that I organized the coffee, which I need to restock the coffee. But I got these drawer organizers from Amazon. I'm gonna have them linked down below. So I ended up ordering more of them, and I also got some of these kitchen drawer organizers for silverware and stuff. And what I freaking love about these, like, I don't know if you can see this, the sides open up. So I really hope it works out. This one's for more like bigger spoons and stuff, and then this one is for silverware. So I'm very excited. My goal for the next, I don't know what, 10 minutes is to maybe it's gonna be like 20 minutes, let's not lie. It's gonna be to organize this drawer. It's kind of horrible. I don't know why. I mean, I know why, but I don't know why it's like this. Clearly we've lived here for 3 years and we haven't fixed it. It's so funny seeing what we choose to decorate and what we choose to like take our sweet time. We use this drawer every day. Like, you'd figure this would be one of the most organized things, you know? But yeah, so here's the before. Looks great. Hopefully it's gonna look even better afterwards. Can I get your opinion?
Yeah.
I don't know what else we should do. Here's a quick update. It looks great.
Oh my god.
I thought I needed more of these drawers here, which we could put one here. Okay, so here's the after. Wow, looks tremendously better. I will say, I kind of didn't really know what to do over here. You guys know that we order food a lot, and most of the time they will put literally like a ridiculous amount of utensils in stuff. So that's kind of like what I just ended up doing here. I did all of like the napkins and utensils. That figured that'd be, I don't know, I don't really know what else to do. I might change it, I don't know, but that's why I got so much of those. And obviously I didn't want to throw them out because that would be a huge waste. So yeah, I think I kind of like this. I do wish wish everything, I don't know, I'm trying to be realistic. I'm like, yeah, I could make everything fit perfect right now. However, realistically, once we do dishes once, we're just gonna like throw these in there. But here, let's just try. Also, we have so many different types of silverware just from collecting them over the years, so it's not like they all like fit perfectly. But overall, honestly, this looks so much freaking better. I won't do it today, but I think I'm gonna use the last few dividers to get this drawer next. Basically, I just gonna need to reorganize the entire kitchen. Hey everyone, quick update. It's actually been a few days. Let me pull this front hair out so it looks better than it did. Today's actually Wednesday, and the shoot that I actually got the spray tan for was Monday and Tuesday, so the past 2 days. It went so freaking good. I literally, like, I cannot wait to tell you guys what it was about, what it's for. It's a more exciting thing than like most, that's all I'm gonna say, that's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, I purposely didn't vlog the past 2 days because we were getting other content for that, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging too much, so I figured I would end this vlog with a little haul because I actually have a few things that I kind of wanted to show you. It's all like very random, but I got a few things, so figured we'll do a little haul, you know? Perfect timing. Let's do it. The first thing is something that, I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys a while ago, but basically this took 2 months to get to my house and I'm literally so obsessed with it. I ordered a new weighted blanket and it is the cutest thing ever because it looks like one of those knitted wool blankets. However, it's not wool, so it's not gonna do that nasty, stupid, like the way that the material for wool like pulls apart and looks like really bad really quick. This thing is a freaking weighted blanket. I've never seen anything like this because it's braided, but it's a weighted blanket. It's by the brand Bearaby. I got it from West Elm and it was back ordered, so I think I ordered this back in January or February and it finally came. It's sold on West Elm, but it's Bearaby. I'm not sure if it's in stock now or what, but I have to say, like, I am so glad that I placed this order even though I had to wait a while for it because, like, just look at this. This is my weighted blanket. This is my new weighted blanket and it's just so much freaking cuter. I feel like this one, it's still really nice, but I'm excited to have two because, guys, I live for my weighted blankets. This is just so much cuter. I'm also wondering if I want to, maybe instead of having this in my room, maybe I actually want to have this downstairs because it's just so nice. Like, it literally looks like such a cute throw. I love how it looks like more of a blanket because this kind of looks a little more like a comforter. I mean, we could totally do both, but yeah, I'll figure it out and make it look cute. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. I love the light gray. It came in other colors, but I've just never seen anything like this, so I really wanted to show you guys because I feel like it's kind of freaking dope. Okay. I hope this balance is good. Okay. Also, I'm very, very much aware that I'm wearing the same sweatshirt in the beginning of this vlog, so I'm obsessed with it. That's all I'm gonna say. My hair looks ratchet today. We actually got a lot of filming done today, so I'm really excited. This weekend, I'm uploading the TikTok made me buy it video, so it's kind of like a haul, but also like another testing video. Excited. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is two things that whitefox sent me, and I actually wore this top in my last main channel video of styling sweatpants, but it is this neon bustier top, and I'm not gonna lie, well, first of all, they actually offered to send this to me, which was so freaking sweet of them. I love whitefox. I literally, like, you guys know I've been trying to kind of dress up more and not just wear sweatpants, even though today I'm kind of in my PJs, but I love this. Even on the website, I wasn't sure if it would fit me well because, I don't know, I just like wasn't sure because it looked gorgeous on the model, but you know when you see something on a model and then you think about like, okay, am I actually gonna look like that? Yeah, but let me tell you, like, this fit me like a glove. It's like so true to size. I'm a medium and I feel like it just fits so good. They had so many other colors, so I'm usually not that person who gets the same thing in different colors. Remy is very much like that, but I kind of want to get more from this collection because I'm genuinely obsessed with it. So I really, really like that. And then I'm gonna have the links for everything too in the description box. They also sent me this dress, which, you guys, I feel like I haven't worn it yet. Obviously, I just took it out of the bag, but I feel like this was made for my body shape and my body type because it's this like white denim dress and it has freaking pockets. It has this little like cute belt, but it also zips. You can wear it in so many different ways, but I don't know if you can see, but I just feel like belting it at my waist and then letting it flow. I just feel like this honestly will look really good on and make me feel comfortable. Okay, if you're watching this, I feel like you would love to borrow this. It's very you too. Love that. Fully obsessed with it. So thank you, whitefox. Both of those pieces get me so excited for summer too. The next two things, I actually got two new pairs of leggings from Lululemon. Oh my god, sorry, I'm so out of breath. I was excited because I'm pretty sure these are new. It's the Invigorate. It's supposed to be meant for intense like sweat session, so a really good training session or something. A lot of people are obsessed with their Align pants, which I really like. However, I think people talk about them too much just because they're comfy to wear on the day-to-day basis, but like low-key, I do not like them for working out whatsoever. So I think a lot of people buy the Aligns because everyone raves about them, but when I worked out in them, I literally hated it. Now, I'm gonna sound like a literal hypocrite because I did also buy a pair of the Align leggings, but it literally says here it's meant for yoga. It's not meant for sweating. Like it's meant for graceful yoga, you know, maybe a light sweat, but it's not meant for intense sweating. It's not meant for SoulCycle. It's not meant for any of that stuff. And I swear every YouTuber raves about Align leggings when in reality I'm just like, yeah, like they're good for day to day, but they're not good for intense sweating. So just good to know if you guys want to buy some. But I was really excited to get these. Of course, they're so soft, so they're nice to wear for just like day-to-day wear. But they came out with a new, or maybe this is not new, but it was my first time seeing it. They came out with a new band for it. So this one, I don't know if you can tell, but it actually goes like in like this, which is super flattering for your waist. And the sides are ruched a little bit. And then this is actually a cropped version. So I actually thought this would just be nice for wearing on like a daily basis, but not necessarily working out in. So got new leggings because I have a few I can definitely get rid of. They have seen things, they're ready to be retired, just needless to say. Cool, then the last thing I wanted to show you guys is something a girl didn't need at all, but I think buying the new shelves that are coming and that they're gonna go in my closet if you saw my last vlog. Go to the comments right now. Comment below what kind of shoes you think they are. You'll most likely be able to guess it. That's your hint. Go comment. I'll give you a little hint, although this is gonna throw a lot of you off. This is where I got it from. I don't know if it's bandier. I always say it bandier. I have no idea. Which is a workout type store, but they are not workout shoes. This is a little. Hi.
I have to go to Seoul.
No, you're good. Bye. Thank you so much. Okay. Can you see it? Okay, that was my drum roll. Nike Air Force Ones. I'm original. But yes, I have an Air Force One obsession. We all know this. I'm not even gonna say it's a problem because for real, I'm not mad at it. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these. Okay. Oh, these are so dope. Oh my god. I've wanted these for so long. I told myself that I had to start wearing more color before I could purchase these because I didn't want them just to sit in my closet. But I feel like, and I know you guys are gonna agree with me, I feel like I should have these in my sneaker collection. Oh my god, they smell great. I'm sorry. Neon yellow Air Force Ones. Cannot wait to rock this with like my neon hoodie. I've been wearing neon so much more lately, especially with summer coming up. I feel like these are gonna be so freaking cute. Yo. I'm obsessed. I love these so much. These are the women's Air Force One Shadow and Lemon. So I'm a 7.5, but I don't know if you can tell, these are actually different from your traditional Air Force Ones. I have these in all white and I love them because it has the double Nike swoosh and then it has these little parts right here and it has a little more of a platform too. And then also like this, like it's just slightly different. So I always get compliments on my all white ones. So I feel like, I'm so excited. Oh my god. They have these also, I want to say in neon orange that Revolve has, but then I found these on bandier or bandier. I'm literally not sure. So that's a tip. Anytime I see Nikes that I love on Nike.com or Revolve or something, then I always check other sites because sometimes other stores will buy different colors of things. Even like with this hoodie, like that's dope. Oh my god, I'm so stoked. Again, I'll have the link below. We can twin. Freaking so stoked. I'm so stoked. So yeah, that's kind of everything that I got. So yeah, I hope that you loved this little haul. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here only because I think it's long from the other days of footage. To be honest, I'm not positive. But more than that, I'm just gonna edit the rest of the night. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this and I will see you guys really soon with a new vlog. Exciting one because my shoe organization things, they may have come today, so I'm gonna probably put them up tomorrow, so. Hey, okay, love you guys, bye.